Hey guys, Amit here for Phone Radar, and this is the Motorola's latest smartphone. That's the Moto G9, which comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 chipset for the first time. And on this video, we would be testing out the gaming experience on this smartphone. Also checking out while playing PUBG, how is the gaming experience, what kind of PUBG options we get on this phone, and we'll be sharing our complete experience of the same in this video. Let's get started with the PUBG experience on the Moto G9. So guys, this is the Motorola's G9 smartphone which comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 for the first time introduced on a smartphone, and as of now I don't think this could be a very good PUBG smartphone. I mean, for people who are trying to play game. I'll tell you first why. Because I just started using this phone. As you can see, there's a timer on this which shows around 3 minutes so that I can know how much time I have been using this phone. First thing, let me just check out the temperature right now to show you how much degrees is it hitting to. So right now, as you can see, around the camera part it's around 36 degrees, around the bottom it's obviously very cold, 35. So this is after 3 minutes or 4 minutes of usage, so 33-35 degrees. At max it has hit up to 36 degrees is what I can say, but that's okay. We are not even started playing the game. And first thing first, let me show you the game options which we get on this phone. So right now you go to graphics, and on smooth we have low, high and medium obviously, and it's at medium setting, which is a good thing. In balanced, it's limited to only medium, it's not even high. And then there's no HD option, there's no HDR option, and there's no Ultra HD which is obvious. Anyway, so let me just show you the frame rate. Right now it's hitting at 30 frames. Let me just quickly play a small game and try to see how is the gaming experience. Right now I feel the phone has started already warming up a bit. The sound is completely on full. We are connected to the Wi-Fi, so that shouldn't be an issue. All the files are already downloaded onto this game, and one frame drop had been seen here, but then again I'm waiting for the boot up of the game, I mean the initiation of the game, and then we can know how it performs later on. So let's wait for a few more seconds. And it has drawn to 15 frames, then 0 frames, but then that's okay. What really matters is how is the frame rate when we are jumping from the plane. Right now also it's flickering a minute once in a while. And now it's time to jump and check out the frame rate. So as of now, going good, not bad I would say. There are so many guys here. It's continuously around 30. Okay, there's someone. And there was a frame drop, if you noticed, from 16 to 2. So that's something which was not expected, but that's the kind of experience I've been noticing on this phone for sure. And that's not such a smooth experience is what I would say. First thing, I had a little issue while playing this game was with the display level. It was pretty low, I would say, for my personal experience. Probably it's also the angle at which I'm playing, but let's try to play another game and check out the quality again. So let me just start another game. Maybe I'll try it with a TDM so that we can know how's the quality in a better way. So it's right now at 30, and as you can see there are some frame drops, that's for sure, but you can keep an eye on these numbers while the game has started, while I would be keeping eyes on the enemies obviously. So why is it showing a demo? Okay, let me disable the team, and here we go.
Team match, let's go.
First point for the red team.
That was a very bad shot. Actually, it does take us a little time to get adjusted to different phones. I mean, playing from different phones. Well, that was another bad shot. But at least as of now,
Spree for the blue team.
as you can notice, right now there are not much frame drops, so that's something I wouldn't complain here. But then yes, I did experience the same while playing a regular game. So let's play for a few more minutes and then share the feedback. As of now, there aren't any frame drops that can be noticed here.
Cover me. No mercy. Reloading.
For a moment I couldn't even see that guy, so I don't know, either it lagged
Expired. Reloading.
or I noticed something different. So anyway guys, it's been 10 minutes playing PUBG on this phone, so let me just show you the current temperatures. And as you can see here, it's around 40.5, that's the highest, which is kind of very much okay. I mean, it's doable. On the bottom part it's around 36, so that's not again high. On the front 38 around the top areas, 38, 37 is what we are noticing. So 38 on the front, 40 on the back is what we are noticing on the Moto G9 smartphone. Again, this isn't that great of an experience on this phone, I would say, but that's what you get when you play PUBG on this smartphone, and that's a gaming experience playing the game PUBG on the Moto G9 smartphone. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and stay subscribed to Phone Radar for more videos like this. I'm Amit and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.